Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing one client UI and the script that controls it. Open Roblox Studio and place a screen GUI in Starter GUI. This ensures each player gets the menu. Insert a text button as your Start menu toggle so you can show or hide content immediately. Once done, add a local script under the screen GUI. You need client-side code to handle input and visuals. Make sure the button is named and accessible. Consistent names avoid runtime errors. Next, you implement the how, toggling and animating the menu. In the local script, get references to the button and the frame you want to show, then use tween service to animate position or transparency for a polished feel. Connect button. Mouse button 1 click to a function that flips visibility and add context action service or user input service to bind a key like ESC for quick access. Once the toggle works, debounce input so repeated presses don't break the flow. Finish by polishing visuals and rigorously testing. Anchor and scale elements so the menu looks right on every resolution, and add UI list layout or padding for consistent spacing. Then test in Play Local Server to confirm the local script runs and the button toggles for the player. If the menu doesn't appear, make sure the screen GUI is in Starter GUI, the script has no runtime errors, and that you used client APIs rather than server-only services. This single check fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.